anything
I haven't got anything colourful.
But at least your hair's colourful. For the London one, I dyed my hair red. You know, I do wash out, you know, the one that washed out, but what to do.
Yeah. So, yes, this one will be the...
Just plaited soap.
How much?
At least I look like a unicorn.
Does it take
You want some?
I don't know.
For a full...
Well,
again,
because I've
it
seen I can
depends
divide
on
the colours,
how,
so I don't have to do all the work like that.
how thick
Yeah.
you do it. I mean,
Which is terrible.
for
The kids at the end.
Oh, it's tough.
for the kids at the end.
Thank you.
That's the top. For the kids at
What's
the end.
the whole point about it is the heat is
I wanted to add it, but I already washed my hair today, so I don't think I'm washing for another 3 days. I said, just in case this is what I think that you put in your hair, then let's go for it.
But yeah, it's very.
She's the real old
shift your bum up a bit.
So what's the soap?
It's just dish soap.
The soap
wow.
is just plain dish soap,
It's fun to see.
Tesco's own dish soap.
So what does it do?
What it does is it helps
See, like I do that all the
bind
time. Just sitting
the
here to relax.
fibres together.
When you mentioned this,
No, I'm the one carrying all the hot water. So.
Eh?
I'm the one carrying all the hot water. So.
Oh dear.
Oh! So there we go. Oh, there you go. You're right.
Oh, it's really hot.
Yes, it is. Give it a squeeze out before you.
No, it
So
needs to
how
be
can-
done.
And that one,
they
yeah,
have to be
because
separate.
that, then you
trying
rinse
to
it
open
out,
the
rinse the
fibers and try
soap
to
out.
join them to lengthen it somehow.
That's so funky. I was going to say, because we're making drugs for our handfast.
Yeah.
You getting low blood sugar? A little bit, yeah.
Okay.
So is that your conflict thing? Because I used to have a person that she used to like literally have shit.
Apparently.
But yeah, like.
I prefer bras than, I'm sorry, the panties.
Yeah.
Yeah, to be fair.
Well done. Pull down thing is incredibly difficult.
You literally get worse on it.
It is.
It is
Yeah,
fucking
I-
difficult.
Yeah. Kids, they don't watch
Yeah,
work
I
things
was
on
going to say,
TV.
you
Come
seem
on.
way worse on TV.
Oh God, with the...
This is what the dreads end up looking like, but since I'll probably never wear the dreads, I've made it into a mini mat thing, or a braid. It was quite difficult trying to braid seven string things, so I might undo it and then try redo the plait. Maybe make a knot, maybe at the ends, maybe. Oh, it's really soft. So these are all of the same colours apart from one strand. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and like my face page for more content.